Good morning to you all, dear student, and I hope you all are doing fine. Alright, so first of all, I want all of you to listen to the video explanation carefully, okay? So, last class we have learned about a topic called the trade and the routes. Alright, so today we'll learn about the kingdoms and the ports. Alright, so our topic of discussion for today is kingdoms and the ports. Aim for today is students will be able to explain the role of trade in expanding the power of the kingdoms in the south. Resources required is your S2, your notebook, your exit content book. Keywords for today is ports. So as usual, let's learn the meaning of keywords. So meaning of the term port: a place on the coast at which ships can shelter or dock to load and unload cargo or passenger. They are known as port. All right. Similar like Arikamadu, where it is a port cities, right? So I hope you still remember what is coast. So this is the port. Okay, this is a port. Example of port. So this is a ship and this is a dock, okay, where cargoes are loaded and unloaded. All right, and these are the cities or town, as you can see. So let me ask you a question: why do we buy things which are manufactured in other countries, or how do we buy things which are manufactured in other countries, and how does it benefit the other countries? Suppose if India buy goods from China, okay, how does it benefit China? All right. And question is asking, why do we buy things which are manufactured in other countries? All right, answer to that, okay, is very simple. We can buy things which are made in different region and countries because the traders bring these things for us. Okay, the creators, they bring this thing for us. The money we use to buy these things or the goods goes to the country where it is produced. Hence the profit is for that country because we are paying to that country, right? That is by paying, okay, paying money. All right. So today we will learn about how trade influenced the kingdoms of South India. Alright, how trade has influenced the kingdom of South India. Okay. Alright, but before that, I want all of you to observe the map. Okay, that is given in figure 3 that you'll find in content book, page 76 of the exit content book. Okay. You have to copy the table in your notebook and write the names of the kingdom and the important cities and port in these kingdoms. Then you have to read the extract, okay, of the Sangham poem, okay, from the session, the kingdom and the ports, and underline the item that is exchanged between them, okay. So as you can see in page number 76, all right, as you can see in page number 76, okay, 76, the four kingdoms of the south. So all of you please observe the given picture carefully, okay. So this is the things that you are supposed to do. All right, so you have to make two column in your notebook. All right, two column in your notebook, okay. And accordingly, what you have to do is that you have to mention four kingdoms. All right, and then the port and the cities you have to fill here itself again. So okay, one mistake is there. Okay, it is not Sangtam, it is Sangam. Okay, so T is not there, Sangam. So after that, then read the extract of the Sangham poem from the session, the kingdoms and the port, and you have the underline the items that is exchanged between them. Okay, for that you will find in your textbook, okay, content book. So I want all of you to please go through that one as well. Okay, I hope now you are done. So here is the question for you again. Get question number 1, 2 and 3. First of all, let's discuss what is question number 1. Which were the kingdoms of South India? That is, after reading, okay, and after going through the picture, you will know question number 1. All right, you'll get to know what is question number 1. Which were the kingdoms of South India, and which ports are located in these kingdoms? Which were the important cities? Which goods came to the port of Puhar? How do you think the ports helped the kingdom? All right. So for that, as you have read the kingdoms and the ports, all right, that is in page number 75, along with the Sangam literature. Okay, and then after observing the picture that is in figure 3, page 76, okay, you will find the answer, and then accordingly you will find even for question number 2 and 3. Okay, so see, the most important kingdoms in the south were those of the Pandavas, Cheras, Cholas, and the Satavahanas. Alright, Pandyas, Cheras, Cholas, and Satavahanas are the most important kingdom in the south, that is located in the southern region of Indian subcontinent. Some of the ports in this region were Puhar, Arikamadu, and Muziris. Alright, so these are some of the important ports of the south. Okay, Puhar, Arikamadu, and Muziris. And in that port, things like horses, sandalwood, food grains, and pottery came to the port of Puhar. These ports probably help the kingdoms as they will get taxes and gifts from the traders. Traders brought this item to the port in order to take the sea route and sell this product in other countries. The traders would pay taxes and give gifts to the kingdoms when they passed through their ports. So the kingdoms became richer because of the ports. All right, and often the rivers they connected the ports and the important cities. Hence the ruler had two seats of power. Had two seats of power. Okay, so these are the benefit for the kingdom because of the traders. Okay, and how the kingdom of South India flourished. Now question number 2. What goods were exported from the southern kingdom? What goods were exported means how it was sold to other countries. Okay, exported, selling to other countries. Import means buying from other countries. Okay, how did the trade made these kingdoms powerful, and was there any conflicts among kingdoms? All right, see, the items of export, okay, from all the southern ports were mainly spices, cotton, textile, precious stones, pearls, silk, and ivory. So those were the item that was exported from southern ports. All right, southern part of India. I repeat: spices, cotton, textile, precious stones, pearls, silk, and ivory. These goods were in great demand in Rome and Iran. Okay, so those items were greatly in demand in foreign countries like Rome and Iran. The trade the trade brought a lot of riches to the kingdoms, that is making them powerful, thus making ports very important for the southern kingdoms, as the sea routes were used by the traders to export products to other countries. Okay, so the southern Okay, so often the creators, all right, often the creators would bring gifts given by the rulers of different countries for the rulers of India. These rulers went to battle with each other to capture each other ports and the chief cities. All right. So why there is battle in the near the port cities? Because one kingdom they wanted to overpower or overtake the other kingdom or ports. Okay, mainly to benefit their kingdom. All right. So the last question for today is why? Why did the traders prefer the sea route to the instead of land route? All right. Why did the traders prefer the sea route to the land route? The ship move faster as compared to the animals or traveling by foot. All right. Because of that very reason, the traders could easily carry more goods in ship than on horses and camel. Because of that reason, they prefer the sea route instead of land route. Okay, so that's it for our discussion for today. And things to do, you have to complete your practice question S3. Okay, the kingdoms and the port. And similarly, you have to complete practice question all right, 4, 5 and 6. All right, you have to do 4, 5 and 6. So that is your homework, things to do, worksheet S2 along with practice question 4, 5 and 6. Thank you, take care and stay safe all of you.